corridor. Artemis running hard, drives it long up towards centre half forward. It's a foot race. The puddle stops them in their tracks. Here's Yeo onto the left foot toward the open goal. And Finlay Yeo gets the first goal of the evening. Thrusts East Fremantle into the forward line. Almost a high tackle on Yeo. Quick out to centre wing. McGuan couldn't mark. It falls into the hands of Hodge. Gets a hurried kick. Yeo marks. Take the lasso free kick on right half back. Too close to the man on the mark. So it's called play on. Strong tackle there. 21 disposals he's averaged. He's only played the 5 games. Goes down the line. Not his best kick. His marking prowess really is one to watch. Numbers around the forward. McGuan's got the lasso free kick. Elects to centre it to the corridor. Well read there by Yeo. Great intercept mark. The kick just had a little too much mustard on it. Back in the middle. Good second knock on there by Wayne. Keeps it. Wayne with the thump. Wayne out-muscled there by Foot. Throws it onto his boot. Not the required distance as Yeo applies the tackle on Williamson. Should have taken the mark. Malone's there. Handball comes out. Boxer under pressure. Ball spills free. Here's Yeo. Breaks free. Snaps around the body. And he has got another one. That's his second goal. And clearing ball towards the wing. Yeo rushes the tackler aside. Long hurried kick. Eludes Barraclough. Boothie. Can he beat the bouncing ball? He cannot. It's going the way of Connolly. Connolly's kick falls short of its target. East Fremantle player copped the Falcon. Hotly disputed footy. Yeo, like a terrier, inside 50. East Fremantle's pressure just magnificent as Yeo threads the needle with that kick. Toward the edge of the centre square. Great long ball to the hot spot. Players in front. No mark there to Alone. Numbers at the contest. Spills to ground. A loose ball there to be won. Ailes and his fellow counterpart in the ruck. Base running out courtesy of Sutherland, who applies the tackle. The kick just comes out. Turnover forced by East Fremantle. The kick. Slippery ball, and hotly disputed one. It's there to be one out. In footy last week, but didn't, nor today in the main senior side as East Fremantle work their way to the centre corridor. Long ball. Wall hurries the kick, right half forward. Great gather there by Yeo. Clever handball. Sizing up the options as he drives that ball towards right half forward, just losing his footing at the last moment in front of the football. High kick. Leaping with the fist, Andrich, and now Yeo gets a kick toward the pocket. Alone, wrapped up by Yeo. 7-5 plays 3 behinds. It's been a real ugly quarter. Yeo, on the end of it, gives it off to Andrich. Fowler. East Fremantle again win it out of the stoppage. Back. Lowers the eyes. Interesting kick. Artemis stood underneath it. Yeo. Long ball to a contest. Ball spills out back. Good off hands. And ball comes to Yeo. Gets around his man. Chip over the top. Just brilliant. Great vision. Ball putting his head over the football. Great work there by Artemis. Yeo. West Perth 6 behinds to 7-8-50 if you're just tuning in for the first time. They could break it here. Yeo. He's the magic man. He snaps high. Not able to cast the final spell. Here's Baker. Good dish to Yeo. Wayne with the palm down. Yeo. 23rd disposal, locked up 5th place for themselves, but they'll have to wait a week at least as East Fremantle work the ball out. That clash Could see if South Fremantle finishes on top of the ladder for the season, or could East Fremantle half forward. Players going back with the flight of the football, but East Fremantle able to win it out. Yo, good use of the right foot there. Up Connolly. Clever ball, and now he's able to find the magic man in Yo. Gets around the big man in McGuan. His kick just checked to the outer pocket. A superb win by East Fremantle. They will stay in that fight for top spot on the ladder. They've registered their 11th win of the season. And it may not have been the prettiest of games in these